Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Nova 11i, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush because this is the best tool, and using this tool you can damage your USB charging port. And great, so use your toothbrush. As you can see, I have the Samsung my port is preventing the charging cable from going all the way, and we just need to insert the one part of the toothbrush and just pry the dirt out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.